June 4, 2025. Daily Bread. Passage. Hosea chapter 6 verse 1 to 11. Key verse. Verse 3. Title. Call for repentance. Come, let us return to the Lord, for he has torn us, that he may heal us, he has struck us down, and he will bind us up. After 2 days he will revive us, on the 3rd day he will raise us up, that we may live before him. Let us press on to know the Lord. His going out is sure as the dawn, he will come to us as the showers, as the spring rains that water the earth. What shall I do with you, O Ephraim? What shall I do with you, O Judah? Your love is like a morning cloud, like the dew that goes early away. Therefore I have hewn them by the prophets, I have slain them by the words of my mouth, and my judgment goes forth as the light. For I desire steadfast love and not sacrifice, the knowledge of God rather than burnt offerings. But like Adam they transgressed the covenant, there they dealt faithlessly with me. Gilead is a city of evildoers, tracked with blood. As robbers lie in wait for a man, so the priests band together, they murder on the way to Shechem, they commit villainy. In the house of Israel I have seen a horrible thing, Ephraim's whoredom is there, Israel is defiled. For you also, O Judah, a harvest is appointed. When I restore the fortunes of my people. Daily Bread Message. Hosea starts the prophecy with his invitation to return to the Lord. The affliction they now suffer is only for a short time, and as Christ brought us into a complete restoration through his resurrection, we will also live in the presence of God. God's love and grace are persistent like the rising sun and copious like the spring rain. However, the present state of Judah and Israel was far from God's character. They may have brought elaborate offerings but did not worship God with the right heart. They were unfaithful in keeping the covenant God had given them. Their cities were full of robbers, slanderers, and murderers. The prostitution Hosea mentions here may mean idolatry, but they were sexually immoral as well, and it was happening in the most grotesque forms in their shrines. They were already suffering from the consequences of their sins, but God's punishment for them was also coming. Hosea understood that God's judgment upon his people was an expression of his mercy and a prelude to the restoration of their relationship. Prayer. Father, your love and grace for me is like the rising sun and spring rain. Thank you for disciplining me to turn away from the sin that the world offers and come to you. Help me hold to your words and discipline me to take the right way. One word. Return to the Lord.